Kürdistana Barış Kampanyası yöneticilerinden ve Britanya Kadın Birliği temsilcisi Melanie Gingel, HDP'ye yönelik saldırılar ve Deniz Poyraz'ın katledilmesine ilişkin televizyonumuza değerlendirmelerde bulundu. Duruma sessiz kalan Avrupa ülkelerini eleştirerek derhal ağır bir kınama beklediklerini kaydetti.
Yeah, well, we've just heard that the legal process to close down the HDP has been confirmed. It's going to go ahead. And this shows us really that the level of threat that the HDP poses to President Erdogan and the AKP. The murder on the 17th of June of Deniz Poyraz is yet another example of this. And she was shot to death. And that represents another aspect of the attack on the HDP, where people are being murdered for a political idea. You can't kill the ideas. The people will still be there. The people still will resist. They will find other ways, other forums, other arenas in which to organize and to resist. We need to see strong statements of condemnation now from European governments that claim to hold ideas of democracy dearly.